Having done with the launch of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Samsung is slowly moving toward the launch of the Galaxy S24. The next-generation flagship phones from Samsung are expected to go official in early 2024, but the company is already getting prepared by clearing all the necessary certifications. In a new move, the company has received certifications for the batteries inside Galaxy S24 series phones. Samsung is making some adjustments to the battery sizes compared to the previous models, particularly with the base model Galaxy S24. The base model Galaxy S24 is rumored to receive a battery capacity upgrade compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S23. Instead of a 3,900 mAh battery, the base Galaxy S24 could come with a 4,000 mAh battery. The battery capacities of the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S23 were smaller than those of their predecessors, the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus. This led to some disappointment among users who expected larger batteries. The Galaxy S24 Plus is expected to have a battery capacity of 4,900 mAh, slightly larger than the battery in the Galaxy S21 Plus. Meanwhile, the top-tier model, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, is rumored to maintain the same battery size as previous Ultra models, with a 5,000 mAh capacity. The description also mentions Samsung's battery strategy over the years, where the company has made adjustments in battery capacities between different model iterations. The communication of these changes has led to varying perceptions among consumers, especially those who upgrade their phones on different timelines. The passage implies that more details about the Galaxy S24 lineup will likely leak in the coming weeks and months as the flagship's launch approaches. Remember that this information is based on leaks and rumors, and official specifications may vary when Samsung officially announces the Galaxy S24 lineup. It's always a good idea to wait for official announcements for accurate and confirmed information. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below.